Congressman Marcoleta, you cannot move because you are not a member of this committee.
It's good that you have raised that, Mr. Chair. I am a vice chair of this committee. On September 4, I was surprised because I saw the journal that I was replaced by Mike Comare. The question is, if I am replaced as a vice chair, does that automatically mean that I am removed as a member of this committee?
Nako, mukhang halatado na yung mga galawan nila. Ito po, panoorin po natin ang video na kung saan ay, nako, biglang inalis si Congressman Marcoleta. Diyan po bilang isang Vice Chair of Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability.
Congressman Marcoleta, you cannot move because you are not a member of this committee.
It's good that you have raised that, Mr. Chair. I am a vice chair of this committee. On September 4, I was surprised because I saw the journal that I was replaced by Mike Comare. The question is, if I am replaced as a vice chair, does that automatically mean that I am removed as a member of this committee? Before you answer that, Mr. Chair, I think I need some legal basis before you answer that.
Yes, your removal from the vice chair, you were removed in a plenary session, House Rules. Now, under Section 28 of the House Rules, it provides that the House shall, upon the recommendation of the Committee on Rules, organize committees, their membership, and jurisdiction. Therefore, your removal as vice chair and member of the House was a plenary action, and therefore, it should be the plenary who should include you as member or as vice chair. Thank you.
Mr. Chair, it was very clear that I was removed as vice chair. I was not removed as a member.
Because you were
There is this distinction between being a member and vice chair. If I
Yes,
was
but-
removed as vice chair,
but your appointment as vice chair, you were not appointed as member. Your appointment was as vice chair. So hindi naman po kayo
Mr.
in-appoint
Chair.
muna as member bago kayo ginawang vice chair. Your immediate appointment was as vice chairman, and therefore your removal as vice chair will remove you as member also. Yun po yun.
Well,
And it's a
that is
plenary action. The committee has nothing to do with it.
that is your opinion, Mr. Chair, but I am expecting that some kind of a basis should be presented that upon removal of a vice chair, that automatically also removes him as a member of that committee. That's all I am asking, Mr. Chair.
Point of order, Mr. Chairman.
We have already answered the manifestation or the inquiry of the Honorable Marcoleta.
Parang ayaw nilang pagsalitain yung tao. Takot ba kayo? Takot ba kayo kay Congressman Marcoleta? Matapang, matalino, at masama doon, para sa kanila, kinampihan si BP Sara. Yun ba ang dahilan? Nako, nasisira ba yung plano nila dahil kay Congressman Marcoleta? Bakit bigla-bigla na lang tanggalin ng ganun-ganun lang? Nang harap-harapan? Anong meron? May karapatan naman yata si Congressman Marcoleta dyan na magtanong, mag-suggest. Sa totoo nga lang, maraming bumilib kay Congressman Marcoleta nitong mga ginawa niyang nakaraan, yung mga ginawa niya na dapat naayon dyan sa kung ano yung maayos na paraan dyan sa Kongreso. Hindi yung mukhang meron talagang gustong punteryahin. Ang tanong ng karamihan, bakit nga ba? Bakit nila ginawa ito kay Congressman Marcoleta? Ang sabi nila, dahil di umano ito sa pagkontra sa mga gusto nilang gawin at lalo na kinampihan itong nakaraan si Vice President Sara Duterte, baka lang naman yun ang dahilan. Di natin alam kung anong dahilan nila. Walang dahilan-dahilan. Inalis agad. Ganyan ngayon ang bagong Pilipinas. Halata naman talaga. Plano sila dyan. Siguro, hindi masusunod yung plano kung nandyan si Congressman Marcoleta. Kung nababara sila dyan. Malamang doon yan sa Eh, nagkagulo nga nakaraan, di ba? Habang nagkagulo, ay mayroon ngang iba dyan na nagbabalot na ng pagkain. May mga nagugutom. Aba,
Sana
antindi na.
all.
Antindi na yung nangyari ngayon sa Kongreso. Pero, ay may kita po yan ng taong bayan kung ano po yung totoong nangyari dyan sa Kongreso. At marami nang nananawagan na si Congressman Marcoleta daw ay tumakbo bilang senador. Senador. Nako, delikado. Mukhang mananalo din yan kasi talagang maraming bumilib sa kanya netong nakaraan lang. Sunod-sunod po yung pagsalita niya dyan, pagkontra dyan sa ibang mga kongresista na sa tingin niya ay mali na yung ginagawa. Nahi-hurts ba sila pag nababara? Hurts na ba? Ay maraming mga nag-comment, baka hindi makagalaw sa plano yung mga crooks. Ano yung crooks?
Sana
Ano
all.
yun? Yun ang karamihan ng comment na nababasa natin na sa social media. Ayan na yung mga crooks. Galit na kay Marcoleta yung mga crooks. Ano yung mga crooks kasi? O alam nyo ba? Ano yun? Ako mukhang may alam ako, pero baka magkamali ako kung anong ibig sabihin ng crooks eh. Crooks. Baka manok yun, di ba? Crooks. Ayan, ay, anong masasabi niyo po dito sa ginawa nila kay Marcoleta? Kasi ang tingin po ng karamihan, panggigipit daw na yung ginagawa. Sa tingin po ng karamihan, ay baka mayroon talaga silang plano diyan sa Kongreso. Ayaw nila na may harang. Ano sa tingin nyo? Comment tayo dyan. Hanggang dito lang. Thank you. Bye-bye.